Hey there everyone, it's David from Canary Capital Productions. I wanted to take a moment and share something personal with you. Being a small business owner isn't easy. Balancing the demands of growing a business while being present for my family has been one of the biggest challenges I faced. And when you add ADHD, staying focused on learning the strategies to scale our business has been a real struggle. There are days when it feels like an uphill battle. But you know what? Every obstacle I face has only made me more determined. I've learned to embrace my unique way of thinking and channel it into my innovative strategies for our business. Through it all, I discovered that perseverance and a different perspective are invaluable. They've helped me push through the challenges and find success in unexpected ways. So, to all my fellow entrepreneurs out there, remember this. No matter the obstacles you face, your unique perspective and unwavering determination can lead you to achieve your dreams. Keep pushing forward because your journey is what makes you, your success, truly remarkable.